Out in Camp 2020. Here's our reliable tent in tipi wall tent. We got two tents here. First tent is our sleeping tent, which is a 16 by 24. Second tent here is a 16 by 12. We use the second tent for kind of storing all of our hunting gear and whatnot. So cooking arrangements. Notice the outdoor lighting there, 12-volt system. Take you into the trailer here. Storage here, fridge, freezer. This is our lighting light switch system for the 12-volt exterior lighting. Light switches for the ceiling lights. This is our little shower here. Inside that bucket is a battery-powered shower pump. Just pull this hose over the top of the shower curtain and take yourself a nice shower inside the trailer here. And that drain goes out outside the trailer and just drains right into the ground.
Japanese aren't as bad as the Chinese.
30 amp plug for the generators. Stockpile water, gas, extra generators. Have an extra freezer in case we get an elk or two. Some exterior lighting here, 12-volt system. This is our locker room tent.
Worth going when it's times like that.
We went in July or August, I can't remember. I'm like, we gotta get out of here, honey, before I do something.
Before you lose your mind.
Yeah, before I do something.
Stockpile wood pellets. This is a self-feeding wood pellet stove.
Better not cuss before I get in trouble.
TV.
Jay's underwear.
Hi.
Show them the big screen, buddy.
Yeah, got the big screen in
Yeah.
there. Little lighting here for the tent too.
I got some pretty good movies just go around.
What you got?
Well, I brought
Comfortable camp.
Bad Boys for Life. Have you seen that one yet?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Is that
Will Smith and Martin
Will
Lawrence?
Smith and Martin
Yeah.
I was gonna bring
Lighting here too.
over just for fun.
I got
Oh, that's tremendous.
Yeah, I got Jumanji.
Both of them are.
We have a awning tarp awning too for the trailer, but we've got some winds coming tomorrow and the next day, so we're gonna choose to put that up after the wind dies down here.